How to reset your Vinted password. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can reset your Vinted password. So to reset your Vinted password is very simple, and I'll teach you how you can do that now. First of all, ensure that you're logged in into your Vinted account just like I have done here. And so once you're logged in into the account that you would like to reset its password, the next step would be for you to move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see some icons such as your inbox, notifications, your favorite icon, as well as your profile icon. So just click on your profile icon. After clicking on that, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, ensure you select the option Settings. Alright, very essential. And after selecting Settings, you will go to the Settings page. On this page, move to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu, alright, showcasing options like profile details, account settings, postage, payment, bundle discount, etc. You just go ahead and click on account settings. So after clicking on account settings, you would wait for the page to load. Once it has loaded, you can see your email, you can see phone number, you can see full name, etc. And then you see the option change password. Once you can see this, click on change, and then you'll be taken to the next page. So the next thing to do will be for you to enter the new password that you would like to use. Okay, and then enter in the new password again, and then click on change password, and then the password would be changed just like that. So as you can see, this is it. Your password has been successfully changed. This is how you can reset your password on your Vinted account. Go ahead and try it out. Thanks for watching and have a good day.